Hello guys, so in this video we are gonna find the area of the surface generated by the given curve, that is y is equal to 4 under root x for the region 32 less than x less than equal to 7 about x axis. So we have to find the surface area in square units. So first of all we will write the given curve, that is y is equal to 4 under root x. And the range for the x is given, that is 32 is less than equal to x less than equal to 77. And the axis of revolution is x axis. So if we will draw the graph of this, suppose this is x axis, this is y axis, and we know that y is equal to 4 root x is the graph something like this. So suppose this is the line, this is x is equal to 32 and this is x is equal to 77. So this is the shaded area, and if we will rotate this shaded area around this axis, what we will get? We will get a revolving three-dimensional surface. So it will be a circular and it will also be circular, and the same graph we will get here. So this is the whole surface that with the dashed line, and we have to find the surface area of this. To get this we will use the formula surface area is equal to 2 pi integration from a to b y multiply by 1 plus dy by dx whole square times dx, means we have to integrate with respect to x. So from here we can write y dash is equal to 4 divided by 2 under root x, and we can write it as 2 under root x. And if we will square and add these terms, what we will get? This will become 4 divided by 2x, not 2 will be cancelled 2 times, so it will be 2 divided by root x, and if we will square this, it will become 1 plus 4 divided by x. So we can write it as x plus 4 divided by x. So if we will solve it further, so we have to take the under root of this. So this term will be written as root of x plus 4 divided by under root of x, and from here we can write the value of a. So this 32 will be a and this 77 will be called b. So if we will try to solve this, this will become 2 pi integration from 32 to 77 y times. So y means 4 under root x multiply by this will become x plus 4 divided by root x multiply by dx. So this root x will be cancelled and this 4 will be thrown out. So basically it will become surface area is equal to, this will become 8 pi, and if we will integrate x plus 4, so it will become x plus 4 to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, and limit are from 32 to 77. So if 3 by 2 will be thrown out, it will become 16 pi divided by 3, and this will become 77 plus 4 81 to the power 3 by 2 minus this will become 32 plus 4 36 to 36 to the power it will become 36 to the power 3 by 2. So if we will try to solve it further, what we will get? We will get it as 16 pi divided by 3 and this will become 9 square. So 81 is basically 9 square and whole power 3 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled, so it will become 9 cube, and similarly it will become 6 cube. So if we will solve this by a cube minus b cube, so this will become 16 pi divided by 3. It will become a minus b, so it will become 9 minus 6, and this will become a square plus b square plus ab. So 3 will be cancelled by this, so it is basically 16 pi times, if we will add this 6 plus 1 7 to the 11 power raise 1, 5 1 6 9, 9 plus 8 17, 171. So if we will multiply 16 by 1, so it will become 6, this will become 3, this will become 27, and this will become pi. So this is basically the final answer for this. This is the surface area. And since in question itself is saying that we have to type our answer pi as needed, so we have to type pi inside the box also. So 2736 pi is the surface area of this curve revolved around x-axis between this range. So I hope you like this video. If you like the concept that I have shared it with you through this video, then please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and visit my website. Thank you very much.